Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 12X and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, settings, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And now all we have to do is to enter the settings icon, so let's tap. Now we have to enter languages. And as you can see, this is the list of all currently applied languages. We've got only English. So let's tap on Add Keyboard. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So simply find yours. You can scroll or just enter the name of the language you'd like to apply, which is right here. You can see that. Something like that, and simply tap on the language. Here you can choose the keyboard layout, so just mark the option and tap on Done. And as you can see, we just successfully added our language to our Google keyboard. So now we can go back, and before I'll show you how to remove the previous language, I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. You can see that we've got this hint, which means that we have to use this globe icon to switch between the layouts. So currently I've got English, and after tapping on the globe icon I can easily switch to the Urdu one. So now to remove the language, simply enter the settings, tap on the languages and choose this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now let's mark the language and trash ban icon, and as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.